Are you tired of being stranded with a dead car battery? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, NOCO Boost GB40. Let's kick things off with the NOCO Boost GB40. This little powerhouse packs a punch at 1000 amps and is priced in the mid-range for a jump starter. If you want a reliable solution for those dead batteries, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it matters for you specifically. Imagine being able to start your car even after it's been sitting for weeks. With 1000 amps of peak power, this compact jump starter can tackle up to 20 starts on a single charge. That means you can help a friend or even your own vehicle multiple times before needing to recharge. Plus, it features ultra-safe technology, which ensures you won't accidentally create sparks or connect it wrong. It's perfect for anyone who's ever felt nervous about jumping a car. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it's a bit bulkier than expected for a glove box. Here's the thing though, considering its power and versatility for all sorts of vehicles, I didn't find this to be a deal breaker at all. It still fits easily in most trunks or storage compartments. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful, portable solution to jumpstart various types of vehicles. Skip this one if you want something smaller or strictly a charger, but for its price, it offers terrific value. Now, if that size issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more traditional battery charger. Product number 2, YONHAN 10 amp charger. Next up is the YONHAN 10 amp battery charger. Priced at $33.36, it's an all-in-one solution that caught my eye for its versatility. If you're looking for a charger that can maintain and revive batteries effectively, this one deserves your attention. This compact charger can handle both 12V and 24V batteries, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, and even lawnmowers. Its 10 amp output makes for a speedy charging experience, and with winter and summer modes, you can prevent battery drain no matter the season. Here's why this matters. If you live in an area with extreme temperatures, this feature can save you from those dreaded winter mornings when your car won't start. However, some users have mentioned issues with the clamps not making good contact. Now, I'll be real with you, this can happen if your battery terminals are dirty or if the clamps don't fit well. But honestly, this is a common issue with all battery chargers, and as long as you maintain good connections, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a charger that offers maintenance and repair modes to extend battery life. Skip this one if you have lithium batteries, as it's not designed for that type. But for $33, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a quicker charge. Product number 3, YONHAN 20 amp charger. Moving on, we have the YONHAN 20 amp charger priced at $63.39. This one's a bit more powerful than the previous, and it's perfect if you're looking to charge larger batteries faster. If you want efficiency, this is worth considering. Think of it this way, if you're in a colder climate, it prevents overcharging when it's warm and undercharging when it's chilly, a real lifesaver for your battery health. Plus, it has a built-in repair mode that can help revive old batteries, which could save you money in the long run. However, some people have noted that it's somewhat bulky and not as portable. But here's the thing, if you're serious about battery maintenance and have multiple vehicles, the extra features make it a worthwhile addition to your garage or workshop. This charger is ideal for anyone who wants a high-efficiency solution for a variety of battery types. Skip it if you need something ultralight for emergency use, but it definitely packs a punch for the price. Now, if you want something a bit more straightforward and affordable, the next one on our list might suit you perfectly. Product number 4, CTEK MXS5. Next, let's talk about the CTEK MXS5 fully automatic charger. At $146.29, it's on the pricier side, but that's because it's designed for serious enthusiasts. If you want a top-tier maintenance charger, this one's worth your attention. This charger is fully automatic and can maintain your battery without any extra effort from you. If you're someone who often forgets to unplug chargers or is worried about overcharging, this feature can give you peace of mind and ensure your battery lasts longer. But I have to be honest with you, some users found it a bit complicated to set up initially. If you're not tech savvy, you might get frustrated. That said, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a set and forget solution. This is perfect if you're an automotive enthusiast who needs a reliable charger for high-performance batteries. Skip this if you want something simple and cheap. The investment is justified for those who take battery care seriously. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly with essential features, stick around for our final product. Product number 5, 6 amp Smart Charger. Finally, we have the 6 amp Smart Battery Charger priced at just $23.32. This one's all about simplicity and affordability. If you need a basic charger that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. This charger automatically adjusts the charge based on the battery's needs, making it easy for anyone to use. You won't have to worry about overcharging, just plug it in and let it do its thing. For someone who wants to maintain their car without too much hassle, this is a fantastic option. However, it doesn't have the advanced features of more expensive models, which means it might not revive completely dead batteries. Now, some users reported that it can be slow to charge larger batteries. But look, if you're just maintaining a battery and not trying to revive an old one, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect if you need something straightforward and effective for basic battery maintenance. Skip this if you have larger batteries that require faster charging. At this price, it's a steal and great for casual users. So to recap, we've covered the NOCO Boost GB40 for its portability, the YONHAN 10 amp for versatility, the YONHAN 20 amp for serious efficiency, the CTK MXS5 for high-end maintenance, and finally the 6 amp Smart Charger for budget-conscious users. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the YONHAN 20 amp charger because it balances power and features perfectly for almost any need. As for which one to avoid, I'd say skip the CTK if you're not ready to invest time into learning how to use it. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.